Hello and welcome to another Online Business Realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So for today on Social Media Monday, we are going to be looking at how you can search a timeline. So Facebook began in February of 2004. Chances are most of you did not have an account at that time, or even within a few years from there. People really started getting Facebook accounts 2006, 7, 2008. It really blew up. It grew to where it wasn't just kids getting them, their parents were getting them, and things like that. So now we're looking at about 10 years when the majority of people in our country have a Facebook account. So it used to be, if you wanted to go find something on somebody's timeline, you could just scroll down and just keep scrolling and keep scrolling. If you're on a desktop, it'll get down here and it'll show a loading feature, and you can keep going down and keep going down. Of course, Facebook a few years ago introduced the memories, so this is a way to kind of shortcut on a daily basis. Every day with the memories, you're going to be able to see things that happened 7 years ago. So there's my dog Miko. We found him on a roof. That's a long story. So that's kind of a fun memory for us to look at 7 years ago now. But the thing is, what if I want to find this, but it wasn't on the same day? So on January 20th, 2018, this pops up and Facebook tells me 7 years ago this happened. But what if I wanted to find this and I wasn't exactly sure what the date was, but I knew it was a long time ago? It would be very difficult for me to scroll down my entire newsfeed. So I've been down 3 loads now, and I'm on January 14th. And I don't post on Facebook a whole lot. Most of the stuff I do on Facebook is sharing things and things of that nature. But I do post things, a couple times a week or whatever. And so it would take someone a long time to go through my timeline. Well, now Facebook has introduced a quick search. So let's say I wanted to find that same video or that same picture of my dog Miko, but I wasn't exactly sure when it was, but I knew it was the first couple months of the year in 2011. I would just go over here and you can look at the About Me or the timeline. You can go to Recent, and I could go to 2011, and I can even search by month. So let's say I want to go to February. Let's say I knew it was really cold. So I would just keep going down. And there's a couple pictures of my dogs. So I knew that was a picture of Miko pretty shortly after we had gotten him. And so I could scroll down until I hit January 20th. I'll scroll just a little bit longer, and there it is. So this is really cool that Facebook has done this, because for a long time, I've wondered, how in the world would you go back and find something? Like, let's say that you posted something and you thought it was going to be important for your business. Now you want to go back and read that post, but you can't find it. Well, now you can do that. So what is a drawback of this new timeline feature? The drawback at this point is that this is not available for pages. So you can't go to a business page, like let's say we want to go to Netflix. Let's say we wanted to go there and find what kind of movies they introduced in 2015 or series. As you see here, once I start scrolling down, that feature doesn't pop up. I don't think it will be long before Facebook enacts the quick search for Facebook fan pages and product pages as well. So I think that it's not too far off, and this will be something that would be very cool to go and look at if you wanted to go and see. Let's say you had a local business that had a sale a couple years ago and you wanted to know what it was. You could just scroll down to that year and then go through and look. So with the timeline feature, pretty much all you got to remember is kind of about the season and year of an event, and you can go back and find it. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope this video will be able to help you in your online business. If there's maybe something that you posted on your timeline you want to go back and get, like maybe there was a blog that you had read and you remember sharing it, but you can't find it, but you think maybe now it will be really relevant to what you're doing, the quick timeline feature will be a good way to do that. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. And until next time, Get out there and make some money.